What does it mean to win? Is every battlefield triumph the same? Or are there deeper measures of success? Military thinkers distinguish two types of victory: tactical and strategic. They look similar but lead to very different outcomes. Tactical victory is a win in a specific engagement, seizing an objective, defeating an enemy unit, or capturing ground. Strategic victory is achieving the broader political or military aim, changing the enemy's will, ending a war, or securing long-term goals. A captured bridge, a destroyed convoy, a successful raid, these are tactical wins. They answer a narrow question: did we prevail in this fight? But winning a battle and winning a war are not always the same thing. That tension shapes how leaders plan and how history judges them. Tactical victories are immediate. They solve an urgent problem, secure a location, or eliminate a threat in a defined area and time. They are measurable. Territory taken, enemy units destroyed, objectives seized. The metrics are direct and immediate. Tactical wins can boost morale and deny the enemy short-term advantages, but they seldom resolve underlying political or strategic problems. A tactical victory can be costly. When the price is too high, commanders call it a Pyrrhic victory, a win that harms the victor more than the defeated. Tactical operations are the tools of strategy. Alone they are local successes. In service of a plan, they become meaningful. Understanding tactical victory means recognizing its limits and its value as a discrete, short-term achievement. Strategic victory answers a different question. Did the campaign achieve its political end state? Did it change the balance of power? It can be military, political, economic, or psychological. Winning hearts, breaking will, or securing resources can all be strategic goals. Consider offensives that failed tactically yet succeeded strategically because they altered public perception or political resolve. The Tet Offensive is a clear example, militarily costly for the attackers, but politically it shifted opinion and helped achieve broader objectives. Strategic planning measures effects over months or years, not days. It values sustainability and political outcomes above isolated battlefield gains. Achieving strategy often requires patience, restraint, and coordination across military, diplomatic, and economic instruments of power. Tactical success can undermine strategy when short-term gains damage long-term goals, creating political backlash or resentment. Conversely, focusing only on strategy can miss immediate threats and lose the ground needed to shape favorable outcomes. In counterinsurgency, superior firepower can win battles but alienate the population, eroding the political support required for long-term success. Leaders must weigh immediate tactical gains against possible strategic costs and ask how each action affects the end state. History shows repeated trade-offs, victories on the map that failed to secure peace, and defeats that ultimately achieved strategic goals. Recognizing the difference is not academic. It is how generals, politicians, and planners decide whether to press, pause, or change course. To align tactics with strategy, start with a clear end state. If you cannot describe the political objective, tactics will drift. Second, link actions to effects. Measure results not by bodies or territory alone, but by how they change the enemy and the population. Third, accept trade-offs. Some tactical objectives must be sacrificed for strategic gain. Good leadership makes those choices deliberately. Fourth, coordinate instruments of power. Diplomacy, economics, and information must support military actions to achieve lasting outcomes. In short, tactical victory answers the immediate question. Strategic victory answers the long one. Both matter, but not equally in every context. Choose the right wins. Aim tactics at the strategy, and history will remember the victory that achieved the purpose it set out to win.